Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Black Ops 6 Directx error, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys want to do is, if you're having this issue on Steam specifically, go over to library, and then from library go over to Call of Duty, right click on it, hit manage, and hit properties, and then from properties what you want to do is go to installed files, and what you want to click on is verify the integrity of game files. And once this is done verifying, you can go ahead and X out, close Steam as well, open Steam back up again, and then you can check to see if that fixed the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is find Steam on your browser or desktop, click on properties, go over to the compatibility tab, and you want to check two boxes. The first box you guys want to check is run the program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and find those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and X out, and then you can open up Steam by running as an administrator, but this will automatically do that, and then you can run Call of Duty to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi router as well, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in and check to see if that fixes the issue. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.